this is circuit diagram for BiCMOS inverter. So the transistor here is, for base the color is yellow, okay, and in the middle it is black. Next, for the terminals of base and collector and emitter, it is green. You can represent the arrow mark in black also, and after this represent it with blue color, okay. This is a rule for drawing the transistor stick diagram. Clear? So in between this one you have to make a contact cut here, here and here, and before this one here, okay. This is a rule. Yellow for base, collector, emitter it is green, and for extending the terminals outside you have to take the metal blue. So let me start with the stick diagram for BiCMOS inverter. First step is metal with blue color, okay. Similarly here also blue metal, indicate with metal blue, right. Next what is the step here? 4 transistors are there. One is PMOS and other is NMOS. Remaining 2 are bipolar transistors. Clear? So for the PMOS, what is the color we are using? Yellow. But see here, this transistor is only should come to the contact with metal, and remaining all should be connection interlinked. So you should be very careful that this only one particular transistor should be grounded, okay. See how I am drawing. For the support you are considering one metal here extra. Here this metal is not there in circuit diagram, but I am using this metal in order to make this connection should be connected to this transistor, not to the ground, okay. Here it is PMOS. For PMOS the color is yellow. So with the support of metal draw yellow. And similarly this is NMOS, the color is green. Draw the green here. The contact is made, so make a contact cut here and also here, okay. For these two a transistor should be formed. Likewise draw red color polysilicon to indicate transistor, okay. This is the PMOS transistor, this is NMOS transistor. Why I have used here metal means this particular transistor should not be connected to this ground. So how I can make this connection means by taking the metal support. I have considered this yellow and green, and by taking polysilicon crossover a transistor is formed. Make it as V in. This is polysilicon red, this is P diffusion yellow, N diffusion green, okay. Now for this particular P and N, it is extended to bipolar transistors. What is the rule here? Whatever the connection is made, you have to consider this to this point. So this yellow I can't extend to the transistor. To make the connection to the transistor you have to use metal. Make a metal here, here also use metal here. To extend to the transistor, make a contact cut here. Again make a contact cut here, because you have to draw the transistor here. What is the transistor color coding? Yellow, green, blue. Similarly draw here yellow, here also yellow. Next black, black. Next green, green. Indicate with pencil arrow mark. And again you have to use blue metal. Use metal blue here and also metal blue here, Okay. For these two joining also you have to use metal. Now make a contact cut here, 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 similarly here also. Okay. Now take the output in between these two by taking polysilicon, indicate red, write V out. Okay. This is the stick diagram for BiCMOS inverter. See, only this particular transistor should be connected to the ground and remaining all are in upside. Draw the metal. Okay. For drawing these two particular transistors, I have taken the support metal, and for this metal I have drawn P diffusion, N diffusion. To indicate transistor, make a crossover using polysilicon and indicate it V in, and this particular diffusions is extended to draw the transistor. To make the connections not to get connected each other, you have to use the metal. In between these two you have to use metal. Between these two use the metal. And what is the color coding for transistor? Yellow, green. I have told you earlier, yellow, green, and terminals extended with blue. Similarly I have drawn here yellow, green, blue. Okay, these are the transistors and this is the connection. This is stick diagram for BiCMOS inverter.